Hi students, in this part we discuss about some problems in chapter 5. So first problem, an element X has atomic number 13. So only one information only given, that element X has atomic number 13. First write it electronic configuration. So first 2 comma 8 comma 3. So 10, 13. So totally atomic number 13 means it equal to number of electrons. So that atom X has how many electrons? 13 electrons. So 2 comma 8 comma 3. This is the electronic configuration of the element X. So state the group and period which X belongs to. So with the help of electronic configuration we can able to identify the group and period. Okay, so group, how we identify the group? That group depending the number of electron in their outermost shell we can able to find the group. So how many electron in their outermost shell? 3 electrons. So 3 electron means it belongs to which group? 13th group. So that X belongs to 13th group. Period. Period, it represent number of shells. How many shells are there? 1, 2, 3. So totally 3 shells. So it belongs to which group? Which period? Third period. Okay. And next, is X is a metal or non-metal? Group 1, all the elements are metal. Group 2, all the elements are metals. In group 13, except boron, remaining all are metals. Boron is a semi-metal or metalloid. Okay. So here it is the group 13. So 13 means except boron, remaining all are metal. You know that boron has the atomic number 5. So here what is the atomic number of this X? 13. So it is not a boron. So except boron, remaining all the members in group 13 are metals. Or simply it loses its electron, outermost electrons, and form a positive ion. So it surely metals are form a positive ion. So it is a metal. Okay. Next, write the formula of its oxide. So students, when it form oxide, it react with oxygen to form a oxide. So first we know that valency of oxygen. If we know the valency of oxygen, we can identify the formula. So you know that what is the atomic, that valency of oxygen is 2. If you don't know, write that atomic number of oxygen 8 and write its electronic configuration 2 comma 6. 6 means is belong to which group? Group 16. Group 16 means the valency of group 16 is 2. So in this way we simply identify the valency, or otherwise it gain electron, 2 electrons gained from some other atom and attain it octet configuration. So the combining capacity is 2. Okay. First we do write the symbol of an element. Here the element, here that element not mentioned, simply we write X. What is the valency of the X? Here it is a group 13 element, so its valency is 3. So write the valency on the top of the element. Okay. Next, it react with oxygen. So write the symbol of oxygen and write the valency of the oxygen on the top. Okay. valency of X is equal is a 3, the valency of oxygen is 2, then cross multiply. Okay, now we get X 2 and O 3. This is the formula for oxide. Okay, and next problem, an element belongs to third period and second group of the periodic table. So here the question is the element belongs to third period and second group of the periodic table. From the question, what are the information given? You take that information from the question and write it shortly. So first it belongs to the period 3, isn't it? It belongs to third period and second group. Okay, so in these two information, what we extract from this information, first we know the electronic configuration. So group 2 means it must contain 2 valence electron in their outermost shell, and period 3 means it contains 3 shells. Okay, first two shells completely filled and third shell contains 2 electrons. So what is the first shell? How many electrons present in the first shell? 2. In second shell A, and finally it belongs to group 2. So in third shell it must contain 2 electrons. So from these information we can able to write the electronic configuration 2, 8, 2. Okay, next valence electron. How many valence electrons are there? In that outermost shell only it contains 2 electrons. So or otherwise we obtain from this information from the group. Okay, it belongs to group 2 means it contains 2 valence electrons. Okay, valency. So group 2 valency is 2. Okay, so in this information we can obtain from the question. Okay, next state the number of valence electron. So here period 3 group 2. So group number indicates number of valence electrons. So here the group 2, so valence electrons 2, valency. So valence is a combining capacity. So group 2 element has a valency 2. Okay, it is a metal or non-metal. So that element easily lose it 2 electrons and attain a octet electronic configuration and form a positive ion. Which one form a positive ion? Metals or non-metals? Metals. Metals are electropositive in nature. So this element is a metal. Okay, or otherwise simply remember that group 1 must be a metal, group 2 all the elements are also metal. Here this is the group 2 element, so it is surely metal. Write the formula for its oxide. So oxide means when it form a oxide, it react with oxygen means it form a oxide. So you must know the valency of oxygen. Students, if you don't know that valency means simply write the electronic configuration of oxygen and find the group. Oxygen belongs to 6th group. 6 valence electron 6. Oxygen has a valence electron 6. That means it belongs to the group 16. 16 group means what is the valency? 2. Okay. So in this way you identify the valency of oxygen. Then write the element. That element is not mentioned, so simply we write X. Okay. X. What is the valency of the X? Here we identify the valency 2. So write on the top of the X. Next, oxygen. What is the valency of oxygen? 2. Okay. Then cross multiply. What we get? X 2 and O 2. both are same number means we simply cancel. So finally what we get? XO. This is the oxide formula of its oxide. Okay.